Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to learn about how to create a thumbnail using the ChatGPT. So you can see on screen, uh, I have created already one thumbnail. The same thumbnail you can see on your YouTube screen for this video when you are watching this video. Okay, so the same thumbnail you are able to see on your screen. So I have given the prompt earlier that create a thumbnail for you for my YouTube channel, that is YouTube video, like how to create a thumbnail using ChatGPT. I have added add examples, show some create thumbnails using ChatGPT for different bloggers. So here you can see it was created the top 10 Bali travel guide for travel blogger. Similarly for the tech blogger, it was created top 5 AI tools you must try, finance manager, finance blogger, food blogger. So different types of thumbnail you can create using the ChatGPT. So I will show you live demonstration for that. So, okay. So we are going to create one more thumbnail over here. Just to add simplify. I will show you step by step how to give the prompt, how to add the prompt details and all those things. Okay. So I'm giving the prompt to the ChatGPT. Create a thumbnail. Okay. Create a thumbnail for a tea vendor. Okay. Tea vendor, comma, show tea selling man, and then one store. That is enough. Okay. So it will create you one thumbnail for the tea selling man and all those things. Okay. So let's see from these three things what type of thumbnails ChatGPT will give us. Okay. So it is creating a thumbnail. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Okay. Not 3 4 minutes, but minimum 2 minutes it will take. Okay. Sketching it out, making the first draft. Okay. Setting the scene. Okay, and polishing the details, and at last finishing up. That's it. Now the thumbnail will come up in few seconds. Okay, so your thumbnail is ready. So tea vendor, chai jo dil jeet le, the chai samosa biscuit chai 10. So similarly you can create a thumbnail for travel blogger. Okay, create a thumbnail for travel blogger, show Ayodhya with the travel guide. So let's see what ChatGPT is giving us. Okay. So after this, I will show you how to edit that thumbnail. Okay. If you wanted to add more on that particular thumbnail, so how you can do that and all. Okay. So stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. So it's making the first draft, setting up the scenes. Okay. Polishing the details, finishing up, adding final touch, and your finally the thumbnail is ready. So I will little bit zoom it. Okay. So it's mentioned like that, Ayodhya travel guide. Okay. Complete guide to the city of Lord Ram. Top places, how to reach, where to eat, best days. Okay. Spiritual, heritage, divine, Jai Sri Ram, and added over there. Now if you want to add, so you can add your channel name over there. I will mention add channel name. Channel name as travel with Ashish. Okay. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay. So it is creating an image again. Add channel name as travel with Ashish. So this is the most easiest way I could see on internet right now to create a thumbnail which will save cost on timing and all those things. Okay, within a few seconds you will get a good thumbnail. Those people who don't know editing and all those things, it is very good for them, and it is worth time worthy as well. Okay, so adding final touches. Okay, one last week. Okay, so your thumbnail is now ready. So it is more creative now. Okay, if you could see first one, it's mentioned that travel with Ashish, the travel guide. Again, now he added few more things over here like Ram Ki Pedi, Ram Mandir, Kanak Bhavan. So if you want change this location name, you can give the prompt again back to the uh, chat GPT. On the second thumbnail, it is created like top places, how to reach. Again, same things over there. Now, I will ask them uh, add train, add how to reach things like train, flight, buses into the thumbnail. Now see how it's changed again. Okay. So if you give 100 times your prompt again back to the chat GPT will create it again creative, new looks, new things, whatever you wanted. Okay, whatever you wanted to add, you can just type in the chat GPT and chat GPT will give you the best and best thumbnail for your YouTube channel, your YouTube shorts. You can ask them to create a same thumbnail in the format of YouTube shorts as well. I will show you that as well. Okay, in next slide. Uh, please stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So adding the final touches, and you can see the wonderful thumbnails are getting created. Okay, one last week, it's almost ready. One last week is remaining. When you add more complex things, ChatGPT will take time, around 1 or 2 minutes minimum, to get things from the prompt and all. Okay, so now you could see our new thumbnail is again ready. So same things was there. Travel with Ashish. You can add your image as well over here. You can upload your image and tell ChatGPT that you upload my image. Okay, it will give you the multiple options, look and all. So how to reach Ayodhya? Ayodhya Junction, well connected by major cities of India, train, flights. Okay, it will give you the Ayodhya airport name, Moradda Purushottam, Sri Ram Airport, Ayodhya. By bus. Okay, same again, the same thumbnail you can see. Now, if you want this is to upload for your shorts video. Okay, so you can give the prompt like that. Give me same thumbnail in shorts format, 9:16. This is the format for YouTube Shorts. Okay, upload on YouTube Shorts. So let's see. It will convert that the portable thumbnail into your Shorts format. Okay. So what I have mentioned, give me same thumbnail in Shorts format, 9:16 to upload on YouTube Shorts. Okay. So it will give me the same thumbnail. It is getting ready, sketching it out, making the first draft, setting the scene. polishing the details and finishing up. Adding final details. One last pick. So in a few seconds, your latest thumbnail is going to be ready to upload on YouTube Shorts video. Meanwhile, guys, you can like, share, and subscribe my video till the time the thumbnail is getting ready. You are going to see a wonderful thumbnail is getting ready, and it's almost ready. So again, ChatGPT will always try to add new things. Okay, so it will always give more what you ask. So now it's given you the two type of thumbnail in a shorts format. Okay, one, uh, this is the first one. Okay, you can upload, and second one is like that. This is the second type of thumbnail. So whatever base you want to choose, you can choose like that from this. So this is how you can use to create a thumbnail with the help of ChatGPT in your day-to-day lives. Okay, in day-to-day lives, while creating a videos on YouTube, uploading a shorts on YouTube. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for, and stay tuned for such a type of videos going forward. Thank you so much.